Welcome to Activity 23. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with the two-part bonds that are made up of 5 and another part for the wholes of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. To play this game, you need to place your spinner on top of the board. Each player needs approximately 10 counters. The goal of the game is to be the first player to place 3 counters consecutively, either in a row going horizontally across, in a column going vertically up and down, or diagonally in that direction or that direction. Let's begin. Player 1 would go first, and they need to say 5 and 3 is 8 and place their counter on an 8. Player 2 goes next. They say the build 5 and 2 is 7, and I'm going to place it on this 7 to block the path. Play continues. If it lands on the line, the player gets to choose. Now it's your turn.